So we got three reasons why we actually want to go long oil. Now we can take a look at it from a technical standpoint, and from that we have a morning star. We bounced off the Ichimoku cloud. Technically we're still in an uptrend. The market continues to create a higher low, and price continues to trade above the weekly pivot. Reason number two is the current geopolitical conflict that's ongoing in the Middle East right now in terms of the Israel and the Gaza Strip. So if Iran somehow becomes proven to be involved in the attack, things could actually intensify, and the Strait of Hormuz is where 1/5 of oil transports has to pass through, right? So that becomes an issue. I think there's going to be a lot of shock in terms of potential shortage in oil supply that will drive price up. And thirdly, when we talk about seasonality, obviously we are coming into the fall right now. We are approaching winter, so eventually it's going to drive up energy prices as well. So we do like how oil prices is currently forming all the current formation. We've got three good reasons why we actually want to do that. There's actually a fourth reason, and if we take a look at it from how price has been performing after the shock over the weekend, it has actually been flat, and it's actually in a very tight sideways formation around $85 to $86.50. Now this would fall into what we classify as an accumulation phase, and there's a high probability that this could potentially break out. Now in terms of the direction of where it's going to break out, obviously with how we are viewing the reasons why we want to go long, there's a high probability that this breakout could actually be to the upside for as long as price is trading above $85. Now if this breakout happened, it could drive up oil prices a lot higher. We could potentially be looking at a potential return towards $90, $95, and potentially even up to $98. So the room for upside risk, there's a lot of potential for oil at this point in time. Obviously, whatever that's going on right now, it's not a pleasant sight. But as a trader, we are just thinking logically, and there's a lot of risk where oil supply could be disrupted, and that would give reason for oil prices to go up.